All right, here we go. Now we're going. All right, guys. AJ's TNT, AJ's customized jersey break number 2, Triple B. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. Let's roll through the team owners. We got Anaheim going to Paul. Arizona going to JTAC. Boston, JJ. Buffalo, we got Tall Dark. Calgary going to Spears. Carolina, Kaput. Chicago, IPF. Avalanche, M Lake. Ambassador of National Treasures. Columbus, JB. Dallas, JJ. Detroit going to JJ again. Dallas, JJ. Detroit, JJ. JJ getting nutty. Edmonton, Teao. Florida, Gerbear. AK Garcia. Kings going to Greg. Minnie going to Pens. Montreal, IPF. Nash, Scotty M. Dev, Scotty M. Isles, IPF. Range, Paul. Ottawa, JTAC. Fly, Dash. Pitt, Dash. Sharks, Dash. Blues, JTAC. Tampa Bay, D'Antonio. Toronto, Reg. Canucks, R. Muldoon. Vegas, Duke. You think I'm stupid, Duke? Nobody must find out about Mother. Oh, do you not have any in this, bro? I'll double check. Canucks, Toronto, Reg. Canucks, R. Muldoon. Vegas, Duke. Capitals, Nate Dogg. Winnipeg, JTAC. You don't have any in this, JJ? Oh, I was like, wait a minute, dude. How did I mess up having that many teams and you not having them? You're scaring me, bro. All right, guys, we did box 1. We know what box did we do? Was it box 3 that we did? Forgot what box we did last. All right, here we go. Boxes are numbered 1 through 11. Let's roll the die. Every box has a numbering up top where the ship label is. You'll see it up there. It's up on the... So they're already pre-numbered, guys. Everything's pre-numbered. Six. Let's get box 6. Hopefully we get some filth out of it. All right, let me go find it. All right, found it. Feels kind of heavy. You can see it right here. All right, I'm going to scratch my label, guys. All right, there we go. You can see it's box 6. Okay. Every single one's pre-marked up on the corner there, guys. Again, guys, some cases are going to have, or boxes are going to have more stars in it, and some are going to have less based on the value of the box they put in there, guys, okay? So you might have 3. There's going to be boxes that literally you're going to think are 4 chases or something. That I should have labeled it different. Anyway, here we go. Tampa Bay, Andre Palat. TB. And of course it is licensed Reebok. Tampa. Tampa is going to be D'Antonio. Next up, Brian Little. Licensed as well. Winnipeg Jets. Jets going to Johnny Tack. And licensed again, of course, for the Avalanche, Semyon Varlamov. Colorado, Semyon Varlamov. Oh, nice. I like this. Oh, this is Adidas too, guys. I want this jersey. Adidas license. Miro Heiskanen for Dallas. Straight up Adidas license jersey there. Nice hit for Dal. Going to JJ. Oh, this is stupid. I thought this was... Okay, this is dumb. Oh, dude. That's all this is? Shh, what a joke. We got a filthy, sick Mr. Hockey Gordie Howe jersey for the Red Wings, baby. Go look at how much this jersey costs, bro. Go look on the site. Go look. I mean, woo. More than what this break cost. Bro, it's serious. Gordie Howe, baby. Nice and clean, too. Yeah, signed with... Oh, nice. It's Fanatics. Very cool. I like Fanatics. They make good stuff. So, Detroit went to JJ. It's a base card. I mean, a base jersey. It's just a base. It's no big deal, dude. So, you guys got to look at the value of this jersey. It's over $1,000, right? And then look at the other players. I mean, are they superstars? But this kind of gives you an idea. All right, so Rob just loaded up literally a jersey. It's over $1,000. And there's not major stars in it like Timu or anything like that, but at the same time, they're not horrible either. Gordie Howe. I mean, Gordie Howe is just... Miro Heiskanen, Dallas. I want the Heiskanen jersey. Semyon Varlamov. Everything is licensed on this right here, guys. Brian Little, Jets. Going to Johnny Tack. Avalanche was M-Lake. Still McKinnon's still out there. Andre Palat, TB licensed. And there we go. Yeah, Varlamov's not worth $1,000. Sorry. Still nice, but not worth the grand. All right, guys, I'm going to be putting another AJ's jersey up. I mean, I got 11 of them. So, it continues on. So now, as you can see, that list that's I put the words Chase on means nothing. So, I should have worded it differently, I guess. Should have put some of the hits that you can get. And you can, and you will get at least one of these hits and more. I don't know how the hell you'd word it. There's so many in the box. What do you do? All right, that was a fun break. That was fun.